LangGraph Studio is a really cool tool for showing off the graph nature of your agent. You can also use your agent in the UI provided. And then once you have some traces or some conversations, you can visualize the agent's workflow in this really cool chart here. This helps debug and also see how the reasoning is calling the tools within your agent. Here's how to get started with it. Let's quickly go over the steps on how to get LangGraph running on your machine right now. To get started, we need to run uv init name of your project. I'm going to call mine cool project, cd into cool project. And now we need the following dependencies: LangGraph, LangGraph API, LangGraph CLI, and then LangChain OpenAI for my LLM. Since this agent is going to read pandas and execute, I need cuDF-Q12, which is GPU accelerated pandas. And then finally, python.env to read my environment variables from my .env file. Step 2, we need langgraph.json. This is a configuration file. We're going to keep it very simple here. We're just going to add this one file. You have to make sure this file name, in our case 002_agent, matches the code that you want to run inside the LangGraph Studio. Step 3, you're going to need some code. Here is a command that will download the code from my repository. It's just a very simple LangGraph agent that calls pandas code based on a query given by the user. To run the code that I'm providing, you'll need an NVIDIA API key. You'll have to go to build.nvidia.com, sign up for free, and then follow the directions for an NVIDIA API key. Once you have it, put it in the .env file so that the agent code can pick it up and run the LLM. And finally, the command to run LangGraph Studio is going to be uv run langgraph dev. Again, that's uv space run space langgraph space dev. Let her rip. The second of the links that you see at the top of the output, that's the one you need to click to open up LangGraph Studio. The orange warning at the top can be ignored. If you want a more thorough, detailed explanation of the entire process, check out my full-length tutorial. Cheers and happy coding.